Hey y'all, it's your girl Shania and I'm back again with another video. We feeling good, we feeling great. This video we are going to be doing the brows. As y'all see, I have nothing on them right now. So let's get into it. Oh,
I'm that bitch. Yeah.
Alright y'all, so we are up close and personal. And we finna get into these brows. Oh, I'm gonna tell you what it is. It says GoBrow. And I use it at the beauty supply store. This is a brown pencil. I usually get dark brown, but they didn't have none. And I have a little bitty pencil, y'all. Don't be ashamed of me. It's brown, and then this is like. So first thing first, we're gonna brush our brows up to the same direction, up and over. And I'm just gonna put my mirror up. My mom did bling it out, guys. So get your orders in now. Brush them up, over, up, and over. So you just want your brows to just go all in the same direction. Baby hairs on fleek. Okay, y'all see that? Hair by Twins, edges by Diamond. Usually just go ahead and have a little sharp, cute little pencil. I'm sharpening up my little bitty one. And a sharpener does come with the brow pencil that I am using. You're gonna go right underneath your brow line. So I'm gonna just draw a little line. Y'all see that? Okay, so that's just one brow, and we just outlining it. It don't have to be perfect because we're gonna clean it up. When I was at the nail shop, y'all, like, they took off some of my brows when I first, you know, just getting them arched, getting them done, you know, they just took a piece off and it's never gonna go back. And like, your eyebrows are sisters, they are not twins, but we're gonna make them look as identical as we can. So we're gonna go back on top, and I don't usually bring it in that far, and we're just gonna go on top and outline the brow. Y'all see that? I like to give like a ombre action with my brows. So when we coming back in, we're just gonna darken this end part out. Fill it in. That's all we're doing. Filling in that brow at the very end. So like, pretty much you can just fill in the arch part of where your brow is. A little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. And hey, focus back on me. Can you focus on me? We're gonna brush up. I'm so weird with my brows, y'all, so work with me because y'all are getting the video. We back, we back, we back, we back, we back. Just brush up and over like how the direction they go in. And then that way it will fade that bottom line, and that some of that pencil is still getting that work, and I'm still gonna do a small faded line because I do like that, just a little. And if you do want to do that, like in the front, you do like little hair-like strokes, as long as you blend your brow the right way. Like, you can bring it down for that top line so it won't be so harsh. And you brush your brows back up and back over, down, down, up, and over. You can do it. Just flip that little brush. Flip that little brush, girl. Flip that little brush. Ooh, y'all see this? You have a beautiful brow. And this is nothing cleaned up. Like, this is just straight brows. And another reason why I do like having the GoBrow pencil is because it's not too dark. Like, it's your natural color for your brows. As it should be. Not too dark. Like, we do not do black. We do not have black brows. I mean, unless you dyed them black, but they not black. Is, you know, if your brows ain't slaying, then what is you saying? Okay, I like to use most of the times is a flat angled brush. There it goes. A flat angled brush. Underneath, yes, you do use a lighter color, and I'm using Fawn. I do like to flip it. Make sure it gets on both sides of the brush. A decent amount. You don't really need too much, because, you know, this might be just you just going out for the day. We going underneath. Yes, I do raise my brow just to give that extra dramatic. I'm dramatic, you dramatic, we dramatic-ness, okay? Now we're just dragging it down. Just like I said, y'all, we are dramatic. We are gonna go a little bit closer, and I'm using my NARS Creamy Foundation. It says medium dark 3. I guess I'm medium dark 3. I'm gonna do the foundation color, or closer to your foundation, closer to your skin complexion, however you want to take it. You can even do your foundation to go on top. Okay, Lord have mercy. I'm trying to get y'all to see. Do you see what I see? Whoa, y'all. Okay. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. That's that splat. See, I seen I over concealed just a little bit on that one little part. And it's okay. You can clean it back up with your little pencil. And go back on top of it. And that only happened just because I'm on camera, y'all, and I'm trying to get y'all to see what I see, and like, it's just Okay, y'all, so y'all see that? Brows, baby, magic. Okay, y'all, so you just do a little bit of here, just bring that over and bring this over just a little bit. Just go right underneath that first color. And then, like, sometimes if you want to, you can still do the same thing, but I like to use my big eyeshadow brush Y'all see that? Just like how they named that pencil Wonder Brow. Wonder Brow, baby. Okay. Oh. You don't have to. It's just something that I like to do sometimes because I don't always do it all the time, and I don't always put a little eye concealer. I like the little bare eye, little concealer. Since I'm already here now, we have the step. Put a little setting powder. Just put a little bit right on your eye just to set it, and it could be the one closer again to your skin complexion. The one I used was Benye. The tone it is in Chestnut. Okay, y'all, so that's the end of the brow video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Very quick, very simple, very easy. We're gonna be back at it again with another videos. Peace and love to you guys.